Tired of typing long messages on Viber? Learn how to easily send voice messages and add a personal touch to your direct conversations. Sending voice messages on Viber is a convenient way to communicate when you don't want to type or when you want to convey emotion that text might miss. It's done directly within your chat conversation. So, from the Viber app, tap on the contact or group chat where you want to send a voice message. There, by the bottom right, tap on the purple button with the play icon. Once you do, you'll notice that the icon now has a microphone. Now, you'll have to tap and hold on the icon to begin recording. You can record a voice message for as long as you want to, up to 15 minutes. At any point, if you want to cancel, swipe left while holding the icon down. But if you're satisfied with your voice message, let go of the icon to send a voice message. That's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon. Bye bye.